Hi, I'm Adam Carter, the Director of Product Management at SolidFire, and I'm going to demonstrate today how SolidFire's performance virtualization is changing the game in the cloud. First, we want to look at a system here that's an example system of a SolidFire 5-node cluster. This is about the size system that we'd do a proof of concept on. It's around 60 terabytes usable and about 250,000 IOPS. What we've done here is shut off our quality of service for the moment to show what's wrong with all the traditional storage arrays in an environment where you have multi-tenancy and lots of applications. Notice we're completely maxed out on performance. We're utilizing 100% of the performance capabilities of this system. In this state, we cannot add any more tenants, and every tenant feels the noisy neighbor effect from each other. So the end result is tenants feel poor performance in this environment and are asking to be moved to a new, faster system. So I can no longer make any more profit off of this array. I've got to move tenants off of it. So now let's take SolidFire's performance virtualization into effect. We're going to turn on quality of service, and in this example, we've made up 4 pretend tiers we're going to move everybody into. Honestly, you can make up any tiers you want, thousands if you wish. You can customize performance per application. You can even expose the control over performance right to the end user if you wish. However you feel like doing it for your services. But in our 4 example tiers, now that everybody's been set in their tier, notice first of all that we've got a bunch of applications running exactly where we set them to be. So now all of these tenants are happy. They have consistent, predictable performance for their application regardless of what anybody else is doing in that environment. Something not achievable with traditional storage. Also notice that I now have capacity in my system to add more tenants because I have more performance available. I'm no longer 100% utilized. That lets me add more tenants, add more services, and make more money off of this configuration, more margin off of this configuration. Where before with a traditional array, I was trying to move off of it and I was going to be making less because I needed to build more infrastructure to solve the problem. In a SolidFire system, this quality of service is not based on simple tiering or migration of data. It's something we can edit on the fly at any time. In any other storage system, when you try to change performance profiles or change tiering, you now have to do a data migration, wait for it to complete, and feel the performance impact in between. On a SolidFire system, you simply change their quality of service, and they instantly get the effect of that. So if you have applications that need more performance at different times of the day, or maybe just on a particular day of the month, you can add that performance on the fly and do so without causing a noisy neighbor effect on any other application on the system. So now you're capable of providing services that were before impossible with other storage systems, and not even possible for the enterprise customers or cloud service customers to do themselves with dedicated arrays. The result of SolidFire's performance virtualization is a high performance, high scalability, high efficiency system that allows for predictable performance of thousands of applications in a way that no storage system could do before.